Would you like to take your pickleball to a whole new level, attract better partners, have more fun, and play to your maximum potential? Well, you have definitely come to the right place. I'm Scott Moore, #1 senior player in the world, 20+ time national champion. And together with my son Daniel, former #1 in the world and 6-time national champion, we have spent the last 6 years developing a comprehensive, systematic curriculum that will take any player and help them improve and achieve better pickleball results. We continue to receive rave reviews from our camps, trips, and clinics, but we've realized we can't possibly keep up with the demand of the thousands of people that want world-class pickleball instruction. So we've decided to create the Pickleball Masterclass, encapsulating all the principles, skills, drills, and strategies that we teach in our clinics and camps into one comprehensive video that you will be able to watch anytime, anywhere at your convenience over and over again to develop pickleball mastery that so few are able to obtain. In the Pickleball Masterclass, not only will you learn to dink, drop, drive, reset more effectively, but you'll also learn how to play with more margin for error, how to pick better percentage shots, how to get into better spots on the court, giving you an edge over the competition, translating into more and more victories on your pickleball. All you have to do to enroll in the Pickleball Masterclass training videos is to click the link below, and you will gain instantaneous and constant access to all the principles and training that Daniel and I have developed over the past 6 years. To receive world-class pickleball instruction for 3 days will typically cost you $400 or $500. Our Pickleball Masterclass is available for only $197. Plus, for the first 100 people who enroll, we give you an additional $100 bonus discount off any future trip or camp that we do. So instead of going out to the court now and practicing and playing the same old way, treat yourself to an invaluable gift by making an investment in your pickleball to help you learn the strategies, techniques, and principles to take you to the whole new level of pickleball you've never experienced. All you have to do is click the link below, and we will see you on the inside.